Today, we are going to show you how to adjust tire pressure and temperature threshold value on Blaupunkt TPMS TY 1.0 and TPMS HN 1.0. There are only two buttons on the TPMS display. OK button on the left, setting button on the right. Let's start the setting by press and hold on the setting button for approximately 5 seconds to enter setting interface. When P1 is showing on the display, press on setting twice to jump into P3 setting interface. P3 is the setting for tire pressure and temperature threshold value. Continue with P3 setting by pressing once on OK button. Then press on setting button to switch between threshold value interface. Press on OK button to adjust the value. Press setting button to increase the value. Then press OK to save the setting. Repeat the same steps to change the setting of low pressure and high temperature threshold value. Press and hold on the setting button to return to setting interface. Press and hold on the setting button again to return to main page. You have successfully changed the tire pressure and temperature threshold value. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.